皆さんこんにちは、ゆかりです。今日はですね、Stuさんのイングリッシュレッスン第1弾ということで、私たちが普通に会話をしている時に私が間違って言った英語表現から、皆さんにレッスンをお届けしたいと思います。ある日、私とStuさんが友達付き合いについて話している時の会話です。So Stu and I are gonna go out tonight?
No, John canceled. He's going hiking or something.
No, really? That's not nice to you.
Well, it's not a big deal. It's okay.
No, you're so acceptable.
Acceptable.
Eh? What was wrong that I said you're acceptable?
What you meant was, I'm the kind of person who accepts situations without complaining.
Or accept person.
Yeah, accepts other people. And what that means is that you don't have any big complaints about things that are happening. The word acceptable, however, doesn't mean that. What the word acceptable means is that the quality of the thing that you're talking about is like the lowest you are willing to accept. So, for example, if you have some food at a restaurant and it's not very good, but it's also not bad, it's just good enough.
Acceptable.
The minimum good is it's acceptable. So to say that your boyfriend is acceptable, it just means like, well, he's okay.
Not too bad, not too good.
Not good, not bad, just acceptable.
So if you use that word to somebody like who don't know really well,
It sounds a bit rude.
super rude, right?
Yeah.
Or to like older people.
Yeah. Yeah. So be careful with that word. It's not often used for people.
Ah, okay.
It's mostly used for things like food or technical products or
Oh, okay.
perform-
My new phone is acceptable.
Yeah. Yeah. So maybe it's not great, but it's not bad. No, it does the job. It's acceptable.
Okay. So, what should I say?
So, if you want to say somebody is willing to allow changes to happen, is not very stressed out about those kinds of things, you should say they are an accepting person.
Accepting.
Yeah, so ing form. And
You're accepting.
you're very accepting.
You're very accepting.
And what that means is that you don't care too much about people changing their plans. You're flexible. You're a more easygoing person. You are accepting.
I see.
Yeah. So, one thing to keep in mind, though, is that the opposite of acceptable is unacceptable. Now, so acceptable means like not great, not bad. But unacceptable means very, very bad. So, for example, if one of your friends did something that was super, super mean and very rude or violent or something like that, then people might say, this is unacceptable.
If somebody kick you,
Yeah.
that's unacceptable.
It's unacceptable that this person did this. You know, it's unacceptable that that happened. Yeah. So slightly different meaning.
So quite strong negative
Quite
word.
strong negative. Yeah. Whereas the word acceptable is quite mild. It's like a medium word, not a very strong meaning.
Do you have differences between it's not acceptable versus it's unacceptable?
Just a little bit.
Huh.
So a nuance of meaning. But if I say something, it's not acceptable, it means that it's not good enough for my standard. Like a new phone. It's not acceptable. It's not working well enough. If I went into my phone shop and say my phone was kind of slow. I bought a new phone and it was slow, or the battery was running out. If I went in there, this is unacceptable. It's very strong. But I could go in there and say, this is not acceptable. It's a softer meaning. Right? So, like, if I say, oh, this is acceptable, or not acceptable, unacceptable.
Okay.
Yeah?
Not acceptable means like you don't like it, but not too bad.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
So they're quite different meanings.
Yeah, just to conclude, think about if you want to show that somebody is flexible, they're easygoing, you should say that they are an accepting person. If you want to say that something, usually things, is it's okay, not bad, not great, just it does what it's supposed to do. It's acceptable. You know, if you want to say something is not that condition, it's not acceptable.
Not acceptable.
But if you really want to say something is completely bad, and you really don't, you cannot allow this to happen, it is unacceptable. So, slight differences.
ということで今回はスチューさんの英語レッスン第1弾ということで、accepting と acceptable の違いについてお話をさせていただきました。今回みたいなこういうスチューさんのイングリッシュレッスンもっと聞きたいなと思ってもらったらグッドボタン、いいねボタンを押してください。また、これからもいろいろレッスン動画もし高評価であれば続けていきたいなと思うので、もしよかったらチャンネル登録もよろしくお願いします。ということでまた次回お会いしましょう。バイバーイ。